So it's critically important that we get a broad base of participation in these studies so that we truly can understand the full spectrum and don't have bias therein. We want to see the kids who are very mild and see the kids who are very severe and various different presentations therein. And it's only by the large numbers that we truly understand the breadth and the natural history of these diseases. And I also understand that it's hard on families because there's often multiple studies, and there is for FOXG1 as other disorders. So some families may have participated in the NIH-sponsored natural history study for Rett-related disorders that FOXG1 was part of, and that's fantastic. That was a really great study. And we were part of it at Boston Children's Hospital. But there are other approaches too that required in-person visits. And one of the unique aspects about the current study that's out there, that's a digital natural history study. It's a unique approach that has minimal requirements from families, and yet gathers a lot of data from the medical records for a broader group of patients than we'd be able to target with an in-person natural history study. So it's a really unique approach. I think the FOXG1 community is lucky to have a grant to be one of the first ones to use this type of approach to gather data. And I'm really interested to see what we're able to gather from it by collecting information from records with minimal effort on behalf of the families and from clinicians.